Meghalaya Motorsport Society and Godspeed Racing. We are here to inform you all about the MRF MoGrip Supercross Championship 2026. The round one is happening in Shillong, from Shillong. The 2026 season for MRF Supercross will start from Shillong. Round one is happening in Shillong and then it will follow through the calendar to other cities in India. So, Meghalaya Motorsport Society, we have our Vice President here, Ms. Easter Kharpumwa, and I myself, Phoebe Dale Longro. And from Godspeed Racing, we have Mr. Shyam Kothari. And so Meghalaya Motorsport Society have come together with Godspeed Racing. Mr. Shyam Kothari is the promoter of the Supercross, MRF Supercross Championship. And we have come together to host the event here in order to give a platform to the local riders as well and to introduce Supercross in the Northeast. This is the first time like Supercross is here and the first time in Northeast that we are having a Supercross Championship round. So I would like Sir Shyam to say something.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Shyam Kothari. I'm the president of Godspeed, and we are the promoters of the Supercross Indian National Supercross Championships. We've been organizing these events, the Supercross Championship, for over 22 years, and we've had many events. Almost we've had 500 odd events in different disciplines of off-road racing. When we were deciding to have the championship this year, the championship consists of 6 rounds. So we thought, we have been contemplating with the idea of coming to the Northeast for a couple of years now. And finally I met Phoebe, and Phoebe said that you come to Meghalaya and we will help you organize this event. And this was a good opportunity, and finally we are in Shillong. I'm very happy and proud to announce you that this is one of the maximum entries we've received since we've started conducting events, or Supercross events, way back about 22 years ago. So we have received about 141 entries in the different categories. We've got 8 different categories, right from the junior class, which is up to 9 to 11 years, then 12 to 14 years, and 16 to 17 years, and then we have the experts, Indian experts class, the private experts class, which of course after a long time we are having a qualifying rounds. So the grid, the start line is about for 24 entries maximum. So if we get more than 24 entries, we have qualifying. In fact, we have in a couple of classes we have over 35 entries. So we will have to have qualifying rounds tomorrow, which is the practice sessions and the qualifying rounds, and then day after tomorrow we'll have the race. So we are very happy to come here, and hopefully the rain gods are a little merciful on us. We could have a fantastic event. This is also one of our USP events for the night event, because we are also having the FMX riders. That's FMX is freestyle motocross riders from abroad. One is an Austrian and one is a Russian, who are coming and performing. Will perform daredevil stunts during the intervals of the race. Besides this thoroughbred racing, we have also some entertainment in live bands and of course pyrotechnics and all. So all in all, we are very happy to come and participate in Shillong, and looking forward for a great event.